this is Sheetal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really interesting to show you all. It's the Amazon's Echo. It's a smart speaker powered by Alexa and you can control it through your voice commands. You just have to say Alexa and your question and it will answer you. It can do many things for you. It can play songs for you, tell you news or joke, and also set a reminder for you. And it has so many skills in it and you can explore them using various services like Zomato. You can order your food online and also you can order your any items through Amazon, and it can also control various smart appliances in your home if you have any. You just have to connect them through your Alexa app and also play music through Savan or many other music apps and tell you news and so many items. It's really fun with this, so let's open it and check out how it looks. This is the box packing in which the Amazon Echo comes. Let's open it. Here's the speaker. It looks nicely packed and there's also a box at the bottom. Whoa, the speaker is really heavy. It weighs about 821 grams. And let's check out what's in this box. We've got the 21 watts power adapter. There's no battery on the speaker. It runs on AC power source with the help of this adapter. And this is the manual. Make sure to read it once as it has the complete information about the product. So those were the items that we've got in the box. Now let's check out the Amazon Echo. Let me remove this cover and show you. It looks very beautiful and the build quality is also good. Here at the top we've got the volume up and down buttons, microphone off buttons, and the button with the dot is the action button which will activate the Alexa. It has 7 microphones with far field voice recognition, which means it can hear you from any direction and even in noisy environments. And this is the status indicator light ring which will glow in different colors depending on the situation. The build quality of it is really good. It has a nice cloth finish cover which is replaceable and there are many colors in it like white and grey, and I have the black color one. At the bottom it has a rubber finish base and a button at the center. If you press this button and pull the top cover, it comes out. Here we've got the aux out and the power adapter port. Now I'll show you how to remove this top cover. You just have to push the button at the bottom and it comes out like this. The outer case is available in many different colors and you can buy them separately. This is how the speaker looks without the top cover. It has a two-way speaker system, which means the bass comes from the top part which has a 2.5-inch woofer, and at the bottom there's a 0.6-inch tweeter. Putting back this top cover is also very simple like this. This speaker is powered by Alexa, which is a voice-controlled intelligent virtual assistant. Once you turn it on, it starts setting up the device, and when the blue light stops, it means the device is ready. Now let's ask some questions to Alexa. Alexa, what's up?
Hello, it's 6:40 p.m. Here's the latest. By the way, I just read an interesting story. A toad named after a character from The Lord of the Rings is now on the list of endangered animals. Do you want to hear more about that?
No.
Okay, then that's the update for now.
Alexa, sing a song.
I've been thinking a lot about what makes people happy.
Alexa, can you dance?
That's one of my favorite things to do. Ask me to play dance music, and we'll get this party started.
Alexa, are we friends?
Of course we can be friends. You seem very nice.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's a pirate's favorite letter? You might think it's R, but his first love be the C.
Alexa, what's the weather now?
Currently, in Hyderabad, Telangana, it's 26 degrees Celsius with fog. Tonight, you can expect showers, with a low of 22 degrees.
Alexa, who is Siri?
Siri is a virtual assistant part of Apple Incorporated's iOS, watchOS, macOS, and tvOS operating systems.
Alexa, who is better, you or Siri?
I like all AIs.
Alexa, play some Bollywood music.
Bollywood songs from Savan.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, can you do my homework?
Don't cheat, but you can ask me questions if it will help.
Alexa, can you cook?
Cooking is beyond me at the moment, but ask me for a recipe or cooking conversions and then whip something up.
Alexa, remind me to call mom.
When should I remind you?
Tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Alexa, what is Pythagorean Theorem?
The Pythagorean Theorem is a fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry among the three sides of a right triangle. It states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides.
Alexa, thanks.
No worries.
Bye.
Bye for now.
So like this, you can ask any question to Alexa and it will answer to you. But for that, you need this Amazon Alexa app. This is how the app interface looks. Here it shows you all the recent questions you've asked it. The app is very simple and it's easy to understand. You can also ask questions to Alexa and interact with it from anywhere with the help of your phone. You just have to tap here and ask question and it will answer you. These are all its skills. It has thousands of skills and they also get updated regularly with the new ones. Exploring these skills, you can do so many things like book a cab on Uber or order food online on Zomato, or also get to know the latest news updates and many more. It always gets smarter and better, and the more you use it, the more it adapts to you, and using it is also very simple. So that was my video on this Amazon Echo smart speaker. I really loved it and it's fun to play with her. You can ask any question and it will answer you. It has actually become a good friend of mine and I keep talking to her whenever I'm bored. The audio quality is also good. It has one of the best speakers I've heard so far for the price. It costs about 8,999 rupees and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. There are many different models in it, like the Amazon Echo Dot, which is a cheaper version, Amazon Echo Plus, which has a built-in smart home hub, and the latest version is the Echo Spot, which has a display. So that was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next video.